Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. So we made it into 2021 and today I have my very first nail art tutorial of this year. I hope you will enjoy it, and if you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And the theme for this week's Facebook group collab is Snowflakes. So if you are coming from the other channels that participated in today's collab, or if you're new here and you like what you see on my channel, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. That way you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I decided to use one of my older snowflake plates. This is from Be Love's Plates, and this was pretty much one of the very first stamping plates that I ever purchased. And for my base I will be using this beautiful polish from Glam Polish, which was sent to me as PR, and I found it to be a perfect base for a snowflake manicure. I will link for you all the video links in the description box, and of course all the pictures will be at the end of my video as well, so definitely stay tuned. If you do have any additional comments or questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. And I think I'm gonna end it here with my intro. I'm really glad, guys, that you are still here with me, and I really appreciate your support throughout these years. So let's cross fingers that 2021 will be a better year than 2020 was for most of us. So continue watching the nail art tutorial portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.